Every game is a new opportunity, a fresh sheet of ice for the Kraken to get going this season. We are underway in Seattle. Burakovsky back to Makar. Avalanche, you can sense their confidence with the puck during this power play. Landeskog, Kadri, shot, saved by Driedger. Rebound loose, Burakovsky scores! Andre Burakovsky with his 5th of the year, and the Swede makes it 1-0 Avalanche.
One of the most difficult things for the penalty killers is when you have a power play that attacks from various positions on the ice. Kadri's wide open. He's thinking, waiting for traffic. He holds on to the puck, and it's actually the Seattle player, Schwartz, who is going to go to clear this puck. He ends up putting it right on the tape of Burakovsky. The Seattle power play, which has really struggled, has a chance to even the game up.
Yeah, second worst in the league this year. Johansson, one-timer deflected. Net is open. Donskoy looking for his first of the year. Can't quite tuck it in past Kemper, who ties it up. Stunned slap shot. Steered aside by Kemper, who gets that rebound into the corner. Watch out. Here comes Nichushkin all alone to make it 2-0. Yes! Val Nichushkin, just his 5th game of the year, gets his 2nd goal of the year. Dave Hackstall and the Kraken are down 2-0 early.
And as McCann pinches down the boards, there's nobody behind him. Jost just chips this out to center, and Nichushkin gets out into the open ice. This is a quick release.
Wow.
Post, middle bar, rattle the Gatorade, and it's in the back of the net. A 2-0 Avalanche lead. A power play goal.
Game point streak for Kadri, and his wingers both have goals tonight. Taves shot blocked. Watch out. Here comes Schwartz. In alone. Off the goal post.
Turnover in the middle of the ice as the Avs get caught. Defense spread. Schwartz runs through the middle of the ice.
With it, Wenberg. Oleksiak. Looking towards the net. Glove by Kemper. Loose in front. Schwartz tries once. The second time he tries, it's under the glove of Kemper. Both with good teams this year. Ray will be there with Sean McDonough. The great Sean McDonough and AJ Malesko as well. Score! Holy shnikes. What a wrist shot by Cale Makar. Top shelf where Mama keeps the Thin Mints. It's his 4th goal of the year. He has 11 points in his 12 games.
Kadri snaps this drawback. He spins on the face-off to his forehand, slaps it off the boards. Makar is going to take this puck a couple of strides to his left, and through that massive traffic, it doesn't hit anybody.
Looking to make it 4-0. Makar is back out there after the 76-mile-an-hour wrist shot. Burakovsky rips it and scores! Andre Burakovsky, the twisted wrister, to make it 4-0 Colorado. It's his 2nd of the night. Going to come in the game for Chris Driedger.
Another face-off win. Kadri wins it clean again, this time from Wenberg, and as Makar walks the line, that opens up some space for Burakovsky. Driedger is way out of position.
Here come the Kraken. Shot deflected high and wide of Darcy Kemper. Here comes Makar with Sherwood. Makar saved by Grubauer. Rebound, goal! Makar's 2nd of the game. And the Avalanche now lead 5-0 in Seattle.
He is dancing. Puck gets turned over at the blue line. Makar's at center ice. He ends up with the puck. Grubauer makes a good save, but from the sharp angle, the rebound drops on Cale Makar's stick. He's got a 2nd of this period.
Gabriel Landeskog. Remember that diving sweep check he made, and a goal. Rantanen, quick shot, nice save by Grubauer, who's almost 6-0. Burakovsky has it, 95. Wheels away from Soucy, throws it across to Taves. One-timer! Makar's stick shatters, open in front, great save by Grubauer. And a good play by Giordano, sprawled out. Avs have it without Rantanen and Jansen. Erik Johnson, shot, score! Erik Johnson, 12 years in Colorado. This is his 794th game of his NHL career, and he gets his 2nd of the year on that snipe. The 6th one.
spin move in the middle of the ice. Everyone collapses into the middle, and Erik Johnson from right on the dot. It's a great shot, but I'm not sure Grubauer's going to like this. I mean, that's a...
Yeah.
And look at that. You take a break, and Jordan Eberle gets a great chance. That's the best stop of the night for Darcy Kuemper. Nowhere to win the gold medal.
Newhook around the net. The wrap in doesn't go. Grubauer's there to make the save as he continues to try to build his confidence.
That they would be trading the draft pick.
Right.
Like that just doesn't seem to be what Ron Francis would do. Not that I'm the general manager, it wouldn't be what I would do.
Newhook. Save. Rebound in the net. Nicolas Aube-Kubel gets his first goal as a member of the Avalanche, his first goal this year.
This shot from Jost hits Grubauer, and Dunn is not able to get to the puck for Aube-Kubel to punch it into the net. But look at everybody on the Kraken, 5 of them staring at the puck.
They've had some moments in this game where they've gotten shots on net, pucks in the rebound, pucks near the paint, especially early in the game, but they just couldn't quite tuck one in. Maybe they can do it here on the power play. One-timer, Johansson. Empty net for Eberle. He puts it in. He extends his point streak, and he gets the Kraken on the board, and the fans on their feet.
He's going to pick up the rebound. Give and go with Dunn. Johansson will shoot this puck through the screen of Wenberg in front of the net. Kuemper makes the stop, and the rebound lands right on Jordan Eberle's stick. And he's got a wide open net to put this into the back of the cage. Producer in St. Louis, always kind of an engine player, at 8 goals in 40 games last year, but tough time so far.
Dunn fires, kick save, rebound, score! Brandon Tanev is on the board. His excellent offensive season continues. That's his 7th goal in 17 games.
Gets one here, point to point. Larson to Soucy, long shot. Kuemper makes the stop, and when the defenseman Johnson goes down to block it and doesn't get it, that leaves Brandon Tanev all alone in front of Darcy Kuemper. Couple of power play markers, and it's 7-2.
They got time for a quick setup. Jarnkrok. Across. Puck is loose. Schwartz fakes the shot, goes around the net. One-timer save by Kuemper off the Jarnkrok blast. Giordano through the paint. Puck's going to come out. Vancouver Canucks held on, Ray. They won that game against Winnipeg.
Oh, did they need that?
Shot in front, off the side and in the net. It's a goal!
12 goals last year in 47 games. I like Blackwell. I think he's going to do well here in New York. Look at him keep the puck alive. He fights his way to the front of the net. He's got his first goal here in Seattle. As Darcy Kuemper's trying to find the puck, it squeaks between the post and Kemper's pad. Kraken got 3 this period. Well, when I started, the morning skate, you had to be out there all the time. When I finally got to the point that it was optional for me, I never put my skates on again in the morning. It doesn't matter.
Kuemper loose, covered it up. A couple of different situations, Rochester, St. John's, then started coaching at South Carolina, and now here he is with the Avalanche. 2-year extension. He can shake hands with his assistant coaches as his Avalanche have won again convincingly, 7-3.